Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's make a data entry form. First, rename your sheet. Rename the second sheet. And here we need some fields. Resize it. Tap on view, turn off grid line. Select both column. Enable all border. Select the column and put a special color. Take a copy. Paste the special transpose. Resize it. Take a copy from department. Paste it here. Resize it. Select the headline, take a copy and paste it in here. Resize it. Now I want to make an automatic border. Select all the table, conditional formatting, new rules, use formula to determine, select ID cell, press F4 twice, put less than, greater than sign and put double quote twice. Tap format, border, enable outline, press OK, OK. Let test, it is OK. Tap on data entry, tap view, enable macro record. We enable macro recording because I want to record all the procedure in here. Enable it, give a special name. Press off. Macro record all the procedure. Select the cells, take a copy, tap on datasheet, put your cursor in column G, press Ctrl down arrow key, Ctrl left arrow key, Ctrl up arrow key. Tap on developer, use relative reference, enable, put down and disable it. After that, right click, paste special, transpose. Come back data entry, right click, clear all the contents and record, stop the recording. Now we need a button in here to update our data. Tap on ribbon, more column, more commands, all commands, select the all command. Tap in here, press B, count down with the down arrow key. Select button form control, add it, OK. Draw your button in here, assign it with data entry form, OK. Resize, rename your button. Select all cell, tap home, align it left. Now fill your form. Tap on save and check it in datasheet. Your record came in here, and the second tap on save and check it in the data sheet. All the data will transfer in here. Now I want to make a dynamic list. Select here, tap on data validation, list, type your department items, IT, HR, design, and etc. Okay, your drop down list is ready. And now I want to make a filter list in here. Put equal, write filter function, tap on data sheet, select all the columns, department, put equal sign, and select the department cell. Press enter. Now you can select from drop down list IT, HR, or you can write IT. Date is not showing. Tap on general and select short date, and it will be okay. Data entry form is completed.